What's going on everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Alxr, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can lace your Jordan 13. I got the cap and gown pair here, and bro, like if you haven't picked this up already, I would recommend picking them up. Like they are so do you know, like Louboutins, like I was talking to someone and they were like, they look like Louboutins, like have like the spikes inverse. You know how like you have the Louboutins where like the spikes come out, they got like the shiny leather and stuff. It looks like Louboutins, but the spikes have gone in rather than out. I just think they're so sick. They're like a super like classy looking pair of Jordans. I was thinking about doing a review, but I was just like, bro, like there's so many like reviews and stuff. I was like, do you really want to, like, I don't know, if you want to see a review on these, let me know, because I'm down to do one, because I enjoy doing them, but I just feel like there's so many out there that like, I'd rather just do something that no one's done, but like I haven't seen anybody do. And yeah, I'm just going to show you 3 different ways you can lace the Jordan 13s. Before I get into it though, if you do like this video, if you do find it helpful, smash that thumbs up button. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below for videos from me. Also turn on the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now let's just get straight into it. Bye! So I've got the shoes completely unlaced and ready to go. The first thing you're going to want to do is take the lace and thread it through the 2 bottom eyelets that are on the inside. So if you just start off with the outside one first and thread it up just like that, and then pull, and then take the other side of the lace and put that through the inside and pull, and then hold the laces at the top so they're together just like that, and then pull up so that the laces are the same length on either side, as you can see. Now we can go ahead and start lacing the shoes all the way up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the inside lace and thread that through the outside eyelet. And when you do this, you want to hold the bottom lace that we've already put through so it doesn't move, so that the laces won't change and be different lengths on either side of the shoes, if you know what I mean. So just hold the bottom bit so that it won't move, and then pull up, and then take the outside lace and thread that through the inside, and then hold the bottom bit again so it doesn't move. And that should be okay. Now we can just easily lace them all the way up. Next thing you're going to want to do is take the inside lace and thread it through the outside, and then the outside through the inside, and then the inside through the outside, and then the outside through the inside, and then when you get to this bit here, you're going to want to put the laces so they go across but not through it until you get to the next hole. So if I just take the inside lace and thread it through like that, and then take the outside and thread it through the inside, and then take the inside lace and now thread it underneath that part, just like that, and then thread it going up, just like that, and then take the outside, thread it through, and then thread it through the inside, and then pull up so that it look just like that. And that is how to lace them. But now, of course, you know, you want to add a little bit of flavour, a little bit of style, so we're going to loosely lace them. So I take the laces and just start loosening them off, going all the way down, and then use your thumbs and pull on the outside, and then take this inside lace, and you have 2 top holes here, so take the inside and thread it through the bottom hole and leave a little bit hanging out, and then take the outside and thread it through the inside bottom, like the top hole, so like this, the one underneath the top one, just like that, and then pull through, and then use your thumbs once again and just pull on the outside of the shoes to get them how you want them to look. And that is how to loosely lace your Jordan 13s. Personally, I wear pretty much all of my shoes loosely. I think it just looks so fire when they're loose. They're super easy to slip on as well. And yeah, so this is how to loosely lace your Jordan 13s. This is the first style. I've got 2 more to show you. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Let's get into it. So for the next two styles, I'm going to show you how to do the lacing techniques, the lacing styles, whilst I've got them on my feet. So we're going to start off with this shoe first, and this is the factory lace look. So what you're going to want to do is tighten the laces up so they look like you got them fresh out of the box. So let's go ahead and tighten the laces. Not too tight because it just won't look very fresh that way, but tight enough so you have enough lace at the top to work with. That should probably do. You just want to take the laces and take your two fingers like that, put your thumb on top and then wrap the laces around your two fingers and then tuck the laces up from underneath and then pull through. Just like that, and then move the laces around so like you can get them how you want to. And that is how to factory lace your Jordan 13s. Now I'm going to show you on the other shoe. So once again, you just want to tighten the laces like you got them fresh out of the box. And then take the laces, take your two fingers, wrap the laces around your two fingers and then put them through the bottom and then pull through. Just like that, and then move the laces to get them how you want. And that is how to factory lace your Jordan 13s. Now I'm going to show you what this style looks like on feet. So for the third style, this is called the bunny ear look. What you're going to want to do, if we start off with this shoe first, is take the laces out from the top holes on either side. So just pull. Do the other side as well. And then loosen the laces off going down. And then use your thumbs and pull on the sides. And then take the laces and just do a simple knot. Just like that. And that is the third style. And that is the bunny ear look. I'll just quickly show you on the other shoe. So you just want to loosen the shoes off and take them out of the two top parts. Take the laces out. Loosen the laces. Use your thumbs on the sides if you really want them to get them super loose. And then just knot them. And that is the third style. And now I'm going to show you what this style looks like on feet. So that was just 3 different ways to lace your Jordan 13s. I think personally they look really fire when they're super loose. But make sure to let me know in the comments which your favourite lacing style is out of all the 3 that I showed you. Let me know in the comments, was it 1, was it 2, was it 3? Just let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful. If you did like it, smash that thumbs up button. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below for videos from me. Also turn on the buzz to get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. It's been your boy Alxr. Thank you for watching. Today's comment shout out goes to, I should have got this prepared, but it goes to, today's comment shout out goes to Elite Mike. I'm going to put your comment right there on the screen. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. If you do want to be shouted out in the next video, every single video I pick a comment at random from like the last video that I did. So if you do want to be shouted out, leave a comment on this video, and in the next video I'm going to pick a comment at random to shout out. So if you do want to be shouted out in the next video, leave a comment on this video. It's been your boy Alxr. Pick that bootleg Burberry cap hoodie. If you want to see a tutorial on how I made this, I'm thinking about doing one. Let me know in the comments. It's been your boy Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace. Oh, I think I broke it.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it. I'm on a new level.